Today I am going to show the basic rules in Minecraft. If you like this video, please hit that like button. If you want more, hit that subscribe button. Today I am going to show the basic rules in Minecraft. First, we need to First we need to collect the wood. Wood is the important thing in Minecraft. Then take a few pieces of wood. Now turn it into planks. Now make a crafting table to make tools. Now we need sticks to make tools. First, the basic tool is wood. Wood is the easiest, very easy to break. We can only mine stone with wood. There are so many different types of tools in wood. Next, the second stage is stone. We need this coal to make torches. You need sticks. You keep like this to make torches. Next step is iron. You should melt the iron in furnace. I'll show you afterwards how to make a furnace. Now we should make a furnace. Furnace is like that. We can keep coal or wood in the place of fuel so iron will burn. It's becoming night, so we need bed. We need bed. We need 3 wool and 3 oak planks. By wool, easy way to get is by killing, or we have a tool called shears. Now I will show you how to make a shears. This is called shears. See, I got a wool. Now I have 4. Minimum you need 3 to make a bed. Like this, we can make a bed. Now we can sleep. Otherwise, nearby like this, monsters will spawn. And another thing, we have a food bar. If we don't eat enough food, we will die. Now I will show you how to get food. If we kill these animals, they drop some called raw mutton. If we raw mutton is the only give 1 bar to us. If we cook it, it gives 3 hours. So it's better than raw. And we can also, while we destroy this, and see this sand, we can make sand by this sand. We can make glass by cooking this sand. I'll show you in a minute. See, we got a cooked mutton. It is good than, it is better than raw mutton. If we cook this sand, let it cook. I'll show you still. See this. We can make a glass. And if we break it, we can't get it back. And see this sugar cane. We need 3 of this sugar cane to make a paper. By combining those paper, we can make book. By combining this book, we can make shelves. I'll show you in a minute. See this? See this. We have the sugar cane. If we do like this, we will get pepper. 1 minute. If we place pepper, okay, and we need leather. See this leather. This leather will come from cows. If we kill the cows, we will get the leather. See, like this we can make books. So we make three of this. Now we take wood. We should surround the wood like this and place books like this. Then we will get bookshelves. These bookshelves we should place around the enchantment table so we can upgrade the levels easily. Now I'll show you. For making an it will give us enchantments so it can make our things better. Now I'll show you. Okay. And we should place a book top of that. Like this we will get a book. If we place it, see now there is like, let me make one level. If I surrounded it with bookshelves, let me show you. If we break the bed, the respawn and one more thing. If you sleep on the bed or touch the bed, you can respawn there. If you die somewhere else, you will be respawn in a house. See, before I got one, now I am getting two. That is the for that. See this, some type of structure there. We should place lapis. And one more thing, diamond, gold, redstone, only we can mine with iron. See, now I will show you how to make an iron tool. Normally it's like a stone and other one. Okay. See this lapis. We should keep this lapis here and the sword. See now, I got a thing. Like that you will get more and more. If you go keep on going enchantment. See, I got this one fire aspect 2. Wait, I'll show you. Fire aspect 2 unbreaking. Unbreaking means nothing but it will take less time to break. And knockback. It will push back any mob. See, I'll beat this. It goes far and it has fire aspect. So it's come in fire. It will put it on fire. So we got cooked mutton because of that. That's it. Thank you for the video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe. If you want more, let me know in the comments and hit the like button. I'll show you more about Minecraft.